Hi, I'm Vicken, and I spend a lot of my time outdoors here in Western Australia. When I'm out photographing wildlife, working on commercial projects, or spending a few days off-grid, keeping my camera gear powered is a big part of my workflow. I've been using the PS1800 Pro as part of my outdoor setup, and it's quickly become one of the first things I pack whenever I'm out exploring. One thing I really like is how many different devices I can power at the same time. I often have several devices charging at once, from drone batteries to phones and camera accessories. The PS1800 Pro gives me plenty of flexibility with two USB-C ports, including a 100-watt quick charge and a 20-watt port, along with two USB ports for additional devices. It also has two 240-volt AC outlets, and for camping gear and other off-grid equipment, there is a 12-volt outlet and an XT60 output. I can monitor everything through the app, and when it's time to recharge, it goes from empty to full in about an hour on mains power, and while I'm off-grid for a few days, I can keep it charged with a solar panel. But it's not just about work. Once the cameras are packed away, it keeps earning its place around camp. Whether I'm making a coffee, keeping the fridge running, or simply enjoying outdoors, it's one less thing I have to think about. Having the right gear gives me the confidence to head further and stay out longer. If you are looking for a reliable power solution, I would recommend taking a look at iTechworld.